In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Excel file on Gmail, step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Any modern browser will work. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue so your message goes out from the right inbox. Next, click the Compose button. This opens a new message window, usually in the lower right corner of the screen. If you prefer more space, you can expand that window, but the default size is perfectly fine for what we're doing. In the To field, start typing your recipient's email address. Gmail will suggest contacts as you type. Choose the correct one and double-check the spelling. If you're sending to multiple people, you can add more addresses separated by commas. Taking a moment here avoids bounced emails or sending to the wrong person. Now add a clear subject line. Keep it specific, like Quarterly Report March or Requested Data Excel attachment, so the recipient immediately knows what to expect. In the message body, write a short, friendly note explaining what the Excel file contains and any context they'll need. This is a great place to mention version details or deadlines. You can use the formatting toolbar to bold headings or add bullet points if it helps readability. When you're ready to attach the Excel file, click the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files at the bottom of the Compose window. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your Excel workbook is saved. Select the file, typically a .clsx or .excels, and click Open. It's a good idea to close the file in Excel before attaching, as open files can sometimes cause upload hiccups. You'll see an upload progress indicator. Wait for it to finish, then confirm the attachment appears beneath your message with the correct file name and size. If you pick the wrong file, click the Remove icon next to it and attach the right one. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the Excel file directly into the Compose window. Just grab the file from your desktop or folder and drop it over the message. Gmail will upload it automatically. Use whichever method feels faster for you. Before sending, give everything a quick review. Recipient, subject, message, and attachment. If everything looks good, click Send. Keep in mind that Gmail has an attachment size limit around 25 megabytes. If your Excel file is larger, Gmail may automatically use a cloud link for you. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.